Welcome back to the channel. Retired, don't give up.
ครับอันนี้
I'm at the Woodworkers shop,
ครับ
and we're just checking on our doors. Now, this gentleman here is a custom woodworker. For those that don't know, I was a cabinet maker for 30 years. It was my retired job. So he's just down the street from us, and we've commissioned him to build the doors for our patio, room, balcony, and I'm going to show you the doors. These are the doors that he's in the process of building. This is one of our main doors. These are our two doors that go out onto the balcony, and these are the actual doors for the windows for our windows. Now, my shop was about this big, and considerably more modern tools. Although,
ตัวนี้เตรียมไม้มา
yes,
เตรียมไม้มาก็เปิด
he's in the process of trying to tell me how things work, so that's fine. So anyway, just give you a little tour of his shop. He has a router, he has a shaper, he does his rails and stiles, he has a planer, and he has his jointer.
ที่ทำคือเตรียมไม้มา
Drill press. Over here you'll see. Yeah, you'll flatten that out till it's actually flat, and then it's really good. He has a drill press with a mortaring machine, bandsaw, drum sander. He has all the tools to do the job. Just they're very antiquated. Mind you, the router looks like it's fairly new. And that's how he flattens out. And once he's finished flattening it out, then he'll run it through the planer and make it the right thickness. Yeah. These are some of the doors that he makes. The bed. I will be purchasing this bed. These are some of the doors, front doors. Just absolute beautiful work. With the tools that he has. A true master woodworker. True master woodworker. This table here is also going to be mine.
นี่
And it's a walnut table. So once our room is finished, this table will be going up. And yes, and he's making 2 more chairs. So, very good. Lots of things going on here, lots of noise. They're over in the field, cutting the field. I'm just walking over here to show you what they do to dry out the wood. I mean, our temperature here is quite humid, but he has this basic design. This is how he dries out the wood. Sets it all up, puts in the racks, and lets it dry. Good air circulation around it. There's always a will, there's always a way. Okay. So, again, for those that know, I was a cabinet maker for 30 years. But those that don't know, I've worn many hats in my career, my lifetime. Many different jobs. I've worked in the carpenter shop, the plumbing shop, electrical shop, and I've learned all these trades. But I've also worked for 6 years in my early 20s. I worked in a water filtration plant. Well, what we have here is a water system that supplies our village with water. I'm going to turn it around and show you. This is our water tower. You can see there's a pipe going there. Now there's another pipe that's leading out to the people. It's probably going out, that's probably it over there. So the water line goes out there to the main road and carries on to the houses. Now, this water line that you see there will come right across and comes in here. There's two, because what we have is there's the well. There's a drilled well. No idea how deep it is, but it's it's a submersible drilled well. It could be 100 feet. It could be 200 feet. I don't know what the levels as far as getting water, as far as sulfur. Our water, seems to smell all right. So again, I have no idea how deep it is, but essentially the well pumps the water from there over, and it pumps it through here. So then these two lines, everything's controlled here. These two lines go into this pump, and the well will pump through the second line, this line here, and it brings it up into this tank. And you can see where they go all the way and they all connect. So, and then when they connect, what happens is this is their storage for water. And when the tower drops down to a certain amount, then the pump will turn on and it will pump water out and up, around, and replenish the water in the tower. The water in the tower is what gives us the general gravity of water and water pressure that goes out to the town. Fairly simple. You'll see anytime you go through any village, you'll see towers like this, and that's essentially how it works. Interesting in my world, maybe not yours. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little visit to the Woodworkers shop and my nostalgic walk down memory lane. I was these guys the other day hard at work. Not exactly sure where they're planning on taking that piece of food, but one thing's for sure, they don't give up. And until next time, bye for now.